Every morning before sunrise, Eunice Magero arranges her vegetables by the roadside, hoping for enough customers to make it through another day. For the last 10 years, the Mama Mboga business has been her only source of livelihood, a routine she repeats tirelessly day after day in order to provide for her family. But beneath her resilience lies a silent struggle, shared by many small-scale traders across the country. Eunice says the rising cost of living has made saving nearly impossible. The little profit she earns is constantly swallowed by food prices, rent, transport costs, school fees, and other basic needs.
Ohala ni okanyal wacho ni orach. Ohala ni ber, lakini gisani sama wawuoye ni to okanyal wacho ni nyalo timo gimoro ma ikun pesa nikech gik moko bechgi oidho. Koro yudo ka buying price ni malo, yudo kiwero gi pesa mang'eny, then profit tin. Koro seche moko yudo ka profit miyudo matin no kitiyogo e gike mamoko, chiemo, mahitaji magot, tiyudo ka onge giminyalo save.
Despite spending a decade in business, Eunice admits she has not been able to build any meaningful saving or prepare for retirement. She lives from hand to mouth, uncertain about what the future holds.
Asewinjo kijiwa mang'eny noripo bedne wakungo ne ngima wa makiny. Inyalo gombo adiera mondo ikung ne ngima makiny niwach ing'eno kinyalo tiya ni itiyo tich ma kawuono kende to ok en gimoro minyalo survive go kiny. Lakini gi ohala ma watimo sani to en iluongo ga ni hand to mouth. Yes, en hand to mouth. Onge kiwacho adiera onge giminyalo kano.
Like many others struggling to survive in Kenya's informal sector, Betty Kasaya wakes up early morning and heads to the construction site with one goal: to earn enough for the day. For the past 1 year, Mjengo work has been her source of income, but she says the money remains painfully little compared to the demands of daily life. From food and rent to supporting her family, every coin is stretched to its limit, leaving no room for saving or retirement plan.
Uwezi save, unaweza fanya siku 2 ama ufanye siku 3. Ukishafanya siku 3, ukishapewa hiyo pesa, utasave nini na hakuna kila kitu kwa nyumba. Mtoto anafaa aende shule, chakula nini. Sasa inakuwa ngumu. Sikia iko lakini pesa ndio kidogo. Gharama imekuwa juu sana, hata uwezi save, utasave nini?
From Wendy in the construction site to Joseph on the boda and Eunice behind her vegetable stall, their stories may differ in details but carry the same painful message. Millions of Kenyans are working tirelessly today while remaining uncertain about tomorrow. As the cost of living continues to rise and informal jobs remain unstable, the dream of saving for retirement is slowly becoming a luxury many cannot afford. Yet behind every exhausted face is a deeper question that continues to linger: what happens when age finally catches up with them? Wendy, Joseph, Eunice and Betty are among millions of Kenyans working in the informal sector, a sector that, according to government data, account form the largest percentage of employment in the country. However, despite employing millions, only a small fraction of informal workers are actively saving for retirement, exposing many to financial uncertainty in old age. The rising cost of living, unstable income, and increasing unemployment have further made it difficult for workers in sectors such as boda, construction, and small-scale traders to set aside more for the future. But even as millions of informal workers struggle to survive from one day to another, concerns continue to grow over their future after retirement. To help us understand the state of retirement saving among informal workers in Kenya, we spoke to pension expert Mary Were, who shed light on how many informal workers are currently saving for retirement, why the uptake of pension schemes remain low despite the growing awareness, the pension products available for low-income earners, and the reforms needed to make retirement savings more accessible and practical for ordinary Kenyans.
Jojua kali ok ng'eny ahinya ma kano pesa e ngimagi ma kiny nikech gineno ni pesa ma giyudo tin, koro gitiyo atiya gi pesano mondo take care of their daily needs. Koro ok ging'eny ahinya in comparison gi joma maybe tiyo nikech gin gi employers gi. So the people ma pok obedo covered under the Jua Kali section ng'eny, nyalo bet even around 80%, ma ok bedo covered. Wan gi a few number of schemes kaka koro habahaba en mar NSSF, ji nyalo kano pesa kanyo Jojua Kali. Wan gi Mbao pension scheme, mano ne inyalo keto kata siling 20 a day to ikano pesa. Mano was also targeted for jomantie Jua Kali sector. Wan be gi other schemes ma opogre ma financial services insurance company giri ochako iluongo gi individual pension plans ma jomantie Jua Kali pod nyalo kano pesa gi. Gima osefwenyo waneno ni given that pesa gi kawuono ng'ato nyalo dhi lupo yudo pesa matin, kiny onyalo neno ni onge pesa moro, koro ineno ni that instability gi income mabiro, mano is one of the factors ma miyo gi mondo kik gikan pesa. Another thing be trust, gionge gi trust mang'eny e schemes mosechak gi, samoro ng'ato weya ni pesa ne nyalo kwal, kose pesa no maybe samo ohitajie, they'll be let down. Koro inena ni that trust, lack of trust existing pension scheme momiyo many of them are not saving for retirement. One thing ma jogi onego ng'e, they should know ni kata e sector ma gintie no, they'll not work forever. Kata lupo, nitie sama ok inyal dhi e nam no. Koro it will be important near they start thinking about their lives in retirement and even now putting aside money right now. One thing ma wanyalo timo kaka RBA is just to tell them about the importance and also ensure that they have that trust in the existing schemes mantiere so that they're able to save more. That financial education bay is very important. Nikech ka ng'ato neno ni gini nyalo konya miaka mabiro go, when they see the importance of it, then they're likely to save for retirement. Tragedy mar income insecurity at retirement ok chak sama ng'ato se retire. Gino chako sani sama pod ng'ato young. Koro sama wantie ni ok kaka ndalo ma past go, machon go, where inyalo wacho ni nyithinda will take care of me in retirement. Sani kata nyithindo ma wan go ni maybe hawatatushughulikia in retirement. So it's important ni gichaka pango kaka gidhi retire pesa, as long as iyudo pesa, kata ka iuso a lot, kata ka inja Jua Kali, whatever it is, inyalo kana pesa matin mabro dhi towards saving for retirement. Erokamano.
And as the conversation of retirement saving continues, Wendy returns to the construction site carrying not only building stones but also the heavy responsibility of raising 5 children and hoping for the better tomorrow. For now, survival remains her daily priority, but deep inside, she still dreams of a future where hard work can one day guarantee dignity, security, and peace in old age. Reporting for Color TV, the county of Kisumu, I am Nelly Achieng Ndine.